Welcome! Today we are going to review the following to-do apps, so you can decide which one fits better for your needs. So let's get started. First, we're going to review Notion. Notion is a page-oriented platform. These pages are similar to a regular document, and it offers the creation of tasks. They support comments and allows you to put almost everything that you will put in a regular document page and more inside the description, as you can see. Also offers integrations with other productivity and management platforms. You can create new pages easily and arrange them by just dragging them. The detail is pretty much the same. What changes is the way to visualize them. It can be a table view, a Kanban board, a timeline, and more. Overall, it's a pretty flexible system and offers a free plan for small teams and paid options for bigger teams. Now Evernote. Evernote is focused in taking notes and tasks. It's quite similar to Notion but with less flexibility. It offers some templates of easy access, as you can see, and more specific ones. The tasks are a little bit limited in the free version, but you will still be able to create them. It's basically a note, but with more fields that you can access with the paid version. It also offers the possibility of draw, and you can add the image inside the task or note. You can share these notes and do the regular operations you will expect. You can use the free plans with some limitations or upgrade later if you need to. Overall, Evernote is a good platform if you need to take notes only, and your focus is not managing tasks. Asana is a task-oriented platform. You can create tasks easily and add the details later, like due date, description, and comments. You can visualize and order the tasks in different ways, but the detail is pretty much the same. Also, you can create projects to organize your team and select the default visualization type. This section is improved to manage the tasks inside the team, but the detail of the task is pretty much the same also for the visualization, but in this case we have more options and a dashboard to track the indicators. It has a free trial of 30 days. After that trial, you will need to pay a license for each user. It's a good platform if you only care about keeping track of the tasks. Todoist. Todoist is another task-based app. The tasks are easy to create like in Asana, and you can add comments and subtasks. Overall, the interface is pretty simple. You can add projects, and you have two ways of visualization, list and canvas board. So overall, it's a good platform if you're looking for something pretty basic and easy to use. You have a free plan and paid options for small and bigger teams. Clickup. Clickup is a more complex management platform. You can create spaces that are like a project or a team. Choose the status you will have for the task and the views you would like to have. The way of creating the task is pretty much as we had seen in the other apps. You can assign to members, add a due date, and a priority. The detail is similar to Asana. You can do pretty much the same, but with some extras. The description style is similar to the descriptions in Notion. It's pretty customizable and allows almost any type of content. And also you can add comments in the same traditional style. Apart from the list visualization, you can have a canvas board with the different dates, a calendar, and you can see that the detail of the task is the same, a Gantt chart, and a table. Also, you can create a space using a template. There is a lot, and they are more specific and as complicated as you may need for your project. They offer a free plan and paid options. It's a good alternative if you need a more complicated productivity tool, because it has a bigger learning cube, so keep that in mind. Typicals. Typicals is an all-in-one solution with meeting, tasks, and notes. You can create tasks for each thing. You can enter the title, separate them by project, assign it to someone, put a priority, add checkboxes and images, and put comments in the task. Also, you can edit the task description easily. You can filter the task by open, close it, assign it, project, or by name. In your personal meeting room, you can write notes for the meetings and share them with the participants. Also, you have productivity helpers that you can use during your meetings. They are different for moderators and participants. And also, it has a relaxation tab to help you to focus during the day when you feel lost or you just want to relax. It's a good platform if you want to have everything in the same place so you can boost your daily productivity and get the most out of the meetings. Also, it's totally free, and they also offer free recording and more features. I hope this video helped you in your decision-making process, and if you like it, please consider subscribing to the channel and like the video. Thanks for your time.